Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed these problematic meshes at the screw channel interface without having to go to the design software that designed this restoration and smoothen the area which the screw channel will protrude through it. Ignoring these problematic meshes will not make a successful splitting of the hybrid restoration. So you will go through the design process, and in the end you will find that some of these holes are blocked due to the problematic meshes. Even though I will show you the way that I solved this problem, it is still recommended that you solve this issue before exporting the restoration. So how can you detect these problematic meshes? First, you can see that the surface of the restoration is different from these problematic meshes. Another easier way to detect the problematic meshes is to go to this menu and enable face orientation, and then you will see that the majority of the restoration is in blue color except these problematic meshes which are in red color, as you can see here, and in this screw channel as well. I'm going to move the view of the blender until I'm parallel to the screw channel interface. I'm going to move the cursor here and then add a cylinder. In this menu, I'm going to align it with the view, and then I'm going to move it in the local axis by pressing Shift Z 2 times to make it go in the X and Y axis without changing Z axis in the local orientation. I'm going to place it in the center of this screw channel. As well, I'm going to scale it a little bit, Shift Z 2 times for local transformation, and then scale it until it's more than the original screw interface. Now I'm going to make the cylinder longer by pressing on S and Z axis 2 times. As you can see here, it's extruding the cylinder in the same orientation of the screw channel. Okay, now we are going to hide the cylinder, and then we're going to disable X-ray mode. Then I'm going to the sculpt mode, choosing simplify brush, enable dyne topo, which means adding additional meshes, and then choose constant detail, and then we're also going to enable face orientation to check that we have removed all the bad faces. I'm going to press right click and adjust the auto smooth to 0.1, and then we are going to smoothen this area. We are going to keep smoothing until there's no red faces. We are going to disable face orientation, going back to the object mode, unhide our screw channel that we have designed, enable the X-ray mode, and then we're going to choose the screw channel and make cross section of it. So with the new screw channel, we are going to scale it in a local transformation until it covers the old screw channel. So we're going to do slight increase in diameter until we cover all the old screw channel. And we don't want to move past the interface between the screw head and the screw itself, because in this design of the multi-unit abutments, it's the screw head. Here is the screw, and then there is the screw head. So we can keep it like that. Now we are going to go to select the restoration, go to the modifiers, Boolean operation, difference, fast, and then I'm going to select the cylinder and then press apply. Now when we go into the edit mode, first we are to enable face orientation, Then we go into the edit mode. We can see that we have a new clean screw channel interface. Now we will go into the other screw channel that has problems. A rule of thumb is to make the interproximal surfaces smooth. So I'm going to go to the brush, sculpt mode, brush, enable also the line topo, and then we're going to smoothen this area. With the same steps that we have done for the first screw channel, to keep moving the restoration until we are parallel with the screw channel. Then we're going to make a new cylinder, align it to the view, move it into the center of the screw channel, and then scale it in local transformation in X and Y axes. And then we're going to press S and Z 2 times until we have local orientation. As you can see here, it's in the same orientation of the screw channel. Now we're going to hide our screw channel cutter and then enable the face orientation, sculpt mode, and remove any bad faces inside the screw channel. Here we have some red faces. We are going to smoothen the margin of the screw channel here. Before making the Boolean operations, we have to make sure that everything is correct. We are going to extend the new screw channel a little bit further to overcome the old screw channel, but not to the tie base anatomy, so like this. And we are going to make a selection as well to see if the new screw channel encompasses the old screw channel. We're going to select the new screw channel. Then we keep scaling it until it covers the old screw channel. Now we are going to properties panel, modifiers, and then Boolean, fast, and select the screw channel as the cutter. Then we're going to apply. After doing Boolean operations, we are going to enable the face orientation as we did here, and then we'll go to the edit mode just to make sure that the new screw channels are clean. Then we can proceed with splitting the hybrid restoration. And that's the end of this video. I hope you liked this quick fix for this problem. It is still recommended to take care when designing the restoration to make the areas where the screw channel will protrude to make it smooth and no undercuts to avoid this problem from the first place. Thank you for your time for watching this video and see you in the next time.